Good afternoon. I think a couple of students, yeah, a couple of students have already joined. We are waiting up for a few more, then we'll start. Hello.
Hello. So, can you hear my voice?
Uh, my voice is clear to everyone. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good afternoon. Hello. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
फिर से शेयर कर दो ठीक है ठीक है
Hello.
Okay, so we are going to start now. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ranjan Kumar. So today we will be discussing about Abacus Wizard program that is being created by Brain Checker Academy. And for your school, we have created some special program for this. So I think everyone can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. So I'm starting the presentation. So Abacus Wizard program has been designed by Brain Checker Academy. Brain Checker is India's largest career counseling company. We started in 2013 and we have till now counseled around 5 lakh students across India. So we counsel students, we perform psychometric testing, we perform IQ testing. And now we have designed this Abacus Wizard program that is a completely online program. So I will go one by one. So basically, it's one of a kind online learning platform offered by Brain Checker, that is India's largest career counseling company. The curriculum is very highly structured, and the level one will start. Everyone who will join the program will start from level one. Level one will have around 20 online lectures along with practice video, then practice tests, animated video, as well as at the end of the level 1, you will be giving a online examination as well as an offline examination. That will, the question paper will be sent to the school. Upon completion of each level, you will be getting a certification that is internationally valid, that can be certified anywhere. And that so from students who will join, everyone, they will start from level 1. Some of the benefits I will be discussing is on-demand learning, pre-recorded chapter wise. Now the pre-recorded chapter is basically done to standardize the process, because in Abacus we see that every institute you go to, there will be a different teachers. So the quality of the education affects from institute to institute. That's why what we have done here is that a single master trainer will be teaching all the students who will be enrolling in this program. There will be an online student forum. There will be direct assessment and online doubt solving. You will be given access to the WhatsApp group, the forum group, where you can directly interact with your master trainer. There will be multiple learning and practice session, and it is any platform compatibility. So a student can join on mobile, on tab, on iPhone, on Android platform, on laptop or tab, everywhere. And basically there will be only one class per week, that is basically advice. So it's a, for super program, it will be a 600 days program basically, where they will be completing till level 3. And then it will connect to the super wizard program, where there will be another 600 days of course. So you will be at the end of the 1200 days program, you will be getting till the certified till level 8. That is the highest program, highest certification for any Abacus student internationally. And so just a couple of video I will see that how it will be. So I will ask you. So basically she had joined the program just a week ago, and she's 6 years old. Another student, she's 6 years old. She has also joined the program just 1 week back. And so basically the program will be fully interactive. I will show you the actual program first. So the traditional Abacus classes are basically once a week program, mostly on weekends. Average 7 to 10 students in a batch, sometimes more. Here, even the fees range is from 600 per month to 1,000 rupees per month. And pricing varies from brand to brand and city to city. So what's the advantages we are giving here is that we have, there will be a face-to-face learning, there will be competitiveness against the student. But there is no standardization in teaching. Teachers are mostly hired, stop at marginal earnings. So there will be each teacher varies from student to student and from institute to institute. And personal attention is not possible because of the size of the batch. And there is no on-demand learning. A student has to learn at given time and cannot learn one. Suppose every class is scheduled at Saturday or Sunday from this. So a student has to go there. What is the advantage of this online program is that a student can log in anytime. They can select any time on the, and they should do 1 hour batch every day, every week. So that's quite convenient for both the parents as well as the students, that they can attend the classes at their own convenient time. So here in the Abacus Wizard program, it's an online self-paced Abacus learning program where you can design your own pace. You can complete the 600 days program in 300 days or 1200 days. Because once you have registered, you will be getting the lifetime access. But ideally, it's basically we'll try that everyone should complete the program in 2 years for the senior level and for another 2 years in super wizard program. So suppose the student is in class 2, by the end of when she reaches class 5th, she will be having the Abacus super wizard certification. That means she is now the master of the level 8, and she can compete in any international Abacus championship as well as the local Indian championship. There will be age-wise program separation for ease of understanding and syllabus completion. There will be a structured course with online examination and certification, and on the certification will be verifiable. So anyone can verify their certificate. Just they have to enter their certificate number and they can verify the validity of the certificate. Now this program we have designed in such a way that it's highly cost effective, and with the Indrapuram school we have designed another 40% off. So every student enrolling in this program will be getting a 40% off. So suppose someone joins for senior Bojat program, the regular pricing is 5,900 rupees or 590 rupees for 10 months. Here we'll be giving you a discount coupon of 40%. So the effective pricing will come to 3,540 one time or 3,054 for 10 months that they can pay during the 2-year period. And for the Abacus Super Wizard program, once they have registered here, they will be automatically connected to this program. So the program cost is 7,080 for 4-year course. So that will be 354 for 20 months. That includes the pricing for the senior wizard program as well as super wizard program. Someone who is not yet qualified in terms of age, once he reaches the age of 11, she will be automatically connected to the super wizard program without charging anything extra. So basically the key benefits are on-demand learning taught by Abacus Masters trainers. Each module divided in several chapters having a mix of master trainer videos, animated videos, paper pencil practice, as well as online timer-based practice. There will be online doubt solving forum via forum, chat, email. The chat will be best WhatsApp. And there will be a lifetime access to course content. Now this junior wizard program, that is a 60 days program, is suitable for a student age 5 to 6. Senior wizard program is suitable for students age 7 to 10. This is designed for going learners with the new module releasing every 7th day for focused learning. So every 7th day we are updating the course, we are adding new practice videos, we are adding new animated videos. So it will every 7 days the course will be updated. And once the senior wizard program, the students who have enrolled in this program, once they reach the age of 11, they will be automatically enroll into super wizard program. That will be done fully automatically. And every fifth day, this thing. Now, this Super Wizard program will also include not only abacus as well as some sort of Vedic mathematics concepts also. So it's a highly recommended program. The course structure is junior wizard to senior wizard to super wizards. So suppose students who complete the junior wizard in 60 days and want to learn further can enroll for senior wizard. They will get lateral entry into the 61st day of the senior wizard program. So the amount of the fees will be at the most 7,900 rupees only for 4 years program. So in any program you enroll, the fees will be adjusted once you get into the next program. So this connector course is basically designed to connect youth from junior to senior and senior to super. And once the students are enrolled, they will be automatically get into the next level of the program. So I think this is the basic thing which we have done. So the teaching structure is basically 40, 40, 20. So 40% is on learning, 40% is on practice, and 20% is on examination. Learning will be inclusive of concept video, do it with me video, and animated learning video. The practice session will be through video, through PDF file, and through online session. And exam will be live online timer-based examination. And besides that, we will be giving the offline paper to the schools. So at the end of each level certification exam, the school will also conduct the examination to test the real proficiency of the student at the end of each level. For example, a standard module will have 3-part: concept, practice, and assessment. So it's a simple thing that will start with single digit, then double digit, then addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, then division, then square root calculation, everything. I will show you the live class in a couple of minutes now, where you can actually see how it's going to be the actual classroom session. So how you are going to register as a student. So process is very simple. You have to visit this site, which we'll be sharing soon. And in fact, which we have shared to the school also, they must have shared with you. You have to choose the course, whether it's senior wizard or the super wizard, based on your student age, and then just buy and enroll. So my assistant will give you the entire process. Janvi, you are there? Janvi? Okay. So the course information. Each course has a set structure in terms of session speed, topics covered, and examination. We have designed the course where the student will only study for 1 hour, 1 week. Just to so that 1 hour class session will be there, and then she can use her own time to practice on the Abacus device, which we will be giving to all the students enrolling in the class, and that will be free for each students. Students have to clear all modules before moving ahead for their exam. Level finishing exam cover all topics taught in the respective levels. Exams can be re-attempted only in case the candidate fails the exam. So if the student had failed the exam while taking the level examination, they have to notify us, and we will arrange for the re-attempt. A minimum of 70% score is required for the issuance certificate. Doubt solving session for students will be provided via live chat facility. That will be done once the student is enrolled. They will see that there is a live chat facility there. They can chat with the trainer concurrently. So it's a completely online thing. They will be in connection with their trainer continuously during their 1 hour study session. Student forum will also enable students to interact among themselves. So suppose there are 50 students enrolled from your school or 100 students. So there will be a student forum also. They can connect with each other. They can discuss with each other. They can do their own doubt solving process, and doubts can also be emailed to this particular email from registered email address. So certificate, Brain Checker Academy will issue e-certificate for all passing students. And upon request, we will send you the physical copy of the certificate also. Certificates can be verified online by writing to this particular email, and web verification can also be done by visiting this particular site, which we will be sharing once you have enrolled into this program. So this is the sample certificate. So basically this is the end of the session for this presentation. Now I'll give you the actual program, how. So this is the basically the first, suppose the students have already enrolled. So this is the dashboard here. From here they can start the thing, and they have to start from this thing, Abacus Introduction Chapter 1. So everyone will have their own login. They will be given their user ID and password upon enrolling. And basically from here, their study will start. So basically this is the first video, the Abacus introduction video. I'll just play it.
Excuse me, sir.
Just, yeah, tell
Are
me.
you playing a video?
Yeah, currently we are playing a video.
Sir, I'm not able to see that.
You're not able to see that. Okay,
Yes,
this,
Yeah,
sir.
not even me also.
okay, what we'll do, this particular video, introductory video, we'll share with you on the school format. This introductory video you can see, we'll see, share the link, because maybe the internet speed is the problem. So basically what we'll do here, everyone, we will send you the demo, this particular introductory video. You go through this, you see what is Abacus, how it is, why it is so useful for you. And we'll be sharing a link where everyone has to register, just to give them that you have, so that those who have registered will send the link directly from our institution. So we'll be sharing a Google link basically here, where you have to just a 3-page, couple of information you have to say. You have to give this student name, your parent name, your date of birth, and that's it. Once you have submitted it, we'll be sending you the demo link as well as the registration link completely. Is it okay?
Yeah, okay.
So this Google form link is just to get your introduction to here, so that we can get your email to send you the entire link, how to register and everything. So I'll be sharing this link in the chat window. Just a minute. And I will be also sharing this link. In fact, I've already shared this link with Subha ma'am, and she can also give you this link to give your fill up your details just here. Once we receive your details, we'll send you this demo video. That will be basically, we will be giving you a demo video, will be for the first introduction video as well as for the first class. A couple of PDF forms where you can see what actually Abacus will teach you, what will be the course content during the 4-year courses, from where you will start and from where you will progress. So this is for this only we have just request you to come here and see this video, and we will be, the registration process is completely online. There is no, if you opt for the EMI portion, we will be not charging anything extra. The entire program is given to you at 40% discount. We'll be sharing with you our discount coupon, which is this one. Just a minute, I'll show you. So this coupon has been specially designed for IPSG students. That gives you a total fee. So this is the course fee, the effective course fee for the 4-year course. We won't be charging anything extra. So you can opt for the EMI option also. During that registration thing, you can opt for one-time payment or the EMI option. So the entire thing will be divided into monthly EMI. So for senior wizard, there will be 10 EMI of rupees 354, and for super wizard, that is 4-year course, program duration is 4 years, that will be 20 EMI of 354 rupees. That you can, suppose you can do it in first month, then after 2 months, you can take a gap of 2 months, that the first EMI is, suppose it from February, then you can get the next EMI in April or May, as per your convenience. So this will be the coupon we'll be sharing with the school. During the registration process, you have to just enter this particular coupon.
Coupon is not visible.
Sorry.
Not visible, sir. I think coupon is not visible. Like
Open,
I think you are sharing. Yeah, sharing.
yeah, I'm already sharing it, screen sharing. Just a minute. Let me see. Can you see it now?
Now it is visible.
Okay, so this is the coupon. That is the special 40% discount, especially designed for Indrapuram Girls School. So we have designed two programs, Senior Wizard and the Super Wizard. Senior Wizard is for the student age 7 to 10. That basically from class second, third, fourth, and fifth, I think. So they can enroll into this program. And suppose the student is age 11 or she is turning in 6, she can directly go into this Super Wizard program. Now here, if you are enrolling for 2 years program only, the total cost is one-time payment is 350, or you can pay it in 10 EMI during the 2-year course. You can take any, you have to basically in 24 months, you have to give 10 EMI of 350 rupees. And in that case, here in 48 months, you have to give a 20 EMI of 350 rupees. So there is no extra charges, anything. And suppose a student has enrolled into Senior Wizard program, and after 2 years, if you opt for the Super Wizard program, so again, this they'll have to pay only 3,540 for the next year, 2 years. So this is how it will work. Everything has been shared with the school, and we will be again sharing this discount coupon. And the Abacus device, those students who enroll, they will collect it from the school only. There will be no extra charges for that. We will give it to the school only. And once they have enrolled into the program, they can start, and then their trainer will guide you, the student, how to schedule their classes. There will be one class, 1 hour session, one per week. Anything else you want to know?
So like videos, the teaching videos, a student can see multiple times or only
Yeah.
once.
No, yeah, multiple times. It's a lifetime access. They can see it, they can rewind it, they can replay it. And with every lecture video, there will be another animation video. And after that, there will be a practice video where the questions will be coming online, and they can use their Abacus device to solve. So everything they can do, revise it, they can play it 100 times. That's why we have given it 1 hour, one big program per week, so that the rest of the week they can practice on their own. So this is how it will go. So basically, once you have enrolled, the student can finish the program at their own pace. They can replay it, they can, and until unless they succeed, at the end of every level, there will be a certification examination that will be conducted online. Once they qualify, so they have to, for getting the certificate, they will have to score 70% minimum. Suppose they fail the exam, they will have to just notify us, and then we will arrange for the examination ticket will be only once for that thing. Otherwise, the course they can play anytime, any number of times.
And in case a student feels any difficulty,
Yes.
there will be any teacher assigned weekly or in any interval decided by you.
Yes. That's what we have said. That the master trainer will assess each student individually, and she will see the progress. If some student needs special attention, she will directly interact with her, and she can do some personalization for her also. So everything.
Any defined frequency of classroom or like teacher training apart from video training?
Frequency means?
Means
Okay.
weekly 7 days में 15 days में या 1 month में
See, हमने एक टाइम दिया है, जैसे कि 7 डेज में आइडियली स्टूडेंट को 1 आवर का क्लास चलेगा, ठीक है ना? तो मतलब फर्स्ट क्लास चलेगा। फर्स्ट क्लास में उनके साथ वो टीचर के साथ वो लाइव चैट कर सकते हैं। उनको जो भी डिटेल प्रॉब्लम होगा टीचर से वो बात कर सकते हैं। टीचर उनको फिर पर्सनली व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू उनसे फिर पर्सनली बात कर लेंगे कि आपको क्या डाउट है। तो व्हेनेवर जब भी वो उनका क्लास चल रहा होगा उनके साथ लाइव चैटिंग फैसिलिटी टीचर करते रहेंगे। वो टीचर का रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो रहेगा, बट टीचर विल बी अवेलेबल। जब भी वो टीचर का क्लास चल रहा होगा तो अब जैसे आप एज ए पेरेंट्स आप साथ ही में बैठे हो, तो आपका भी कोई डाउट होगा तो आप लाइव चैट पे हमसे उसी टाइम पे उसको करोगे, तो फिर आपको लाइव भी सपोर्ट मिलेगा एवरीथिंग।
इन द सेम वे जैसे अभी हम लोग आपका सेशन अटेंड कर रहे हैं एंड वी आर टॉकिंग टू यू आल्सो इन द सिमिलर मैनर।
यस यस।
तो कंटेंट विल बी रन एंड वी कैन इंटरेक्ट विद द टीचर आल्सो।
यस 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 यस। बेसिकली हम लोगों ने इसलिए किया है क्योंकि जनरली इसको स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड है, क्योंकि आप किसी भी जैसे शिप के किसी क्लास में जाते हो, 6 अलग अलग इंस्टीट्यूट हैं, हर जगह अलग अलग टीचर हैं, तो टीचिंग स्टैंडर्ड अलग अलग जगह पे वैरी हो जाता है। तो एक जगह पे टीचर कुछ अच्छा है तो वहाँ के बच्चे बहुत जल्दी वो ग्रास्प कर लेते हैं। उनको देखोगे कि फिर वो अबैकस टू फिंगर मूवमेंट टू मेंटल कैलकुलेशन बहुत फास्ट कर लेते हैं क्योंकि टीचर अच्छा है। इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे एक मास्टर ट्रेनर को ही कर लिया कि हर बच्चे को सेम स्टैंडर्डाइज टीचर मिले। इट्स नॉट कि भाई वो अलग अलग जगह पे अलग अलग टीचर पढ़ा रहे हो। और हर टीचिंग के सेशन के साथ जैसे ही आप इनरोल करोगे तो आप देखोगे कि एक टीचिंग सेशन के बाद कंप्लीटली एनिमेटेड वीडियो है, जहाँ एनिमेटेड ही उनको बच्चे को उन्हीं के फॉर्म में, जहाँ पे वो अपना अबैकस डिवाइस लेकर करेंगे और एनिमेशन में उनसे क्वेश्चन आएंगे जैसे 1 + 2 + 7 + 9, तो सामने में उनको उतना ही टाइम होगा जैसे कि 10 सेकंड में उनको वो करना है, तो 10 सेकंड में वो अपने डिवाइस पे कैलकुलेट करके उस पे एंटर करेंगे और सामने से ओके उनका आ जाएगा, ओके यू हैव डन और यू हैव एरर्ड। तो मतलब ये पूरा इंटरैक्टिव ही सेशन हमने पूरा बनाया है, कंप्लीट है। इनफैक्ट इंडिया में ये फर्स्ट टाइम ही ऐसा है जो अबैकस पे बस पर्टिकुलरली ये कोर्स हम लोग कर रहे हैं। तो बेसिकली जब भी आप लोग रजिस्टर कर लोगे तो उस टाइम से उनका वो क्लास शुरू हो जाएगा, ऐसे ही है।
तो जो बच्चे अबाकस सुपरविजर्ड के लिए इनरोल्ड होंगे
हाँ
और
जी।
जिनको अबाकस का एबीसीडी नहीं पता, उनका बेस कहाँ स्टार्ट होगा?
बेस स्टार्ट लेवल 1 से ही होगा। देखिए सीनियर विजार्ड जो भी बच्चे एंटर कर रहे हैं वो लेवल 1 से स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक है ना? जो सीनियर विजार्ड में जा रहे हैं वो लेवल 1 टू लेवल 3 तक जाएंगे। जो सुपर विजार्ड में जा रहे हैं वो लेवल 1 टू लेवल 8 तक जाएंगे, क्योंकि लेवल 3
सबका स्टार्टिंग लेवल 1 से ही होगा।
हाँ, सबका स्टार्टिंग लेवल 1 से ही होगा, क्योंकि वो चूंकि वो लेवल 1 और लेवल 3 बहुत फास्ट कर लेंगे क्योंकि उनको बेसिक तो पता है, तो उसके बाद वो ऑटोमेटिकली सुपर विजार्ड में आ जाएंगे। तो बेसिकली सबका
तो इनका
स्टार्टिंग
ड्यूरेशन क्या रहेगा सर?
ड्यूरेशन में हमने कहा ना कि मतलब जैसे वीकली 1 वीक हम लोग का रिकमेंडेड है। वो
नहीं,
चूंकि
जो बच्चे सुपर विजार्ड में हैं, जो सुपर विजार्ड में गए हैं, उनको आप लेवल 1 से दीजिएगा तो जल्दी पिकअप कर लेंगे, तो उनके लिए ड्यूरेशन तो कम ही लगेगा ना?
हाँ, लेकिन किसी भी केस में उनको मतलब लेवल 8 तक कंप्लीट करने के लिए और इंटरनेशनली उस लेवल पे सर्टिफाइड होने के लिए, क्योंकि हम तो हर लेवल के बाद एग्जामिनेशन भी कंडक्ट करेंगे, तो लेवल 3 तक तो वो सर्टिफिकेशन
हाँ,
आराम से कर
आपने वो
लेंगे।
ड्यूरेशन दे रखा है ना?
हाँ, प्रोग्राम ड्यूरेशन
आपने
मैक्सिमम
ड्यूरेशन देखा ना, प्रेजेंटेशन
या
ड्यूरेशन दे रखा था,
हाँ जी,
तो उस ड्यूरेशन से पहले वो एग्जाम देके अपना सर्टिफिकेशन ले सकता है?
हाँ ले सकते हैं। वो 2 साल में ही कंप्लीट कर ले अगर वो बहुत फास्ट कर रहे हैं।
ओके, यदि वो ज्यादा पहले चाहे तो वो कर सकता है उसको।
हाँ जी कर सकते हैं।
ओके ओके,
ठीक है, ये और बाकी सारा डिटेल हम स्कूल से शेयर कर देंगे कैसे एनरोलमेंट सेशन में। वो इनफैक्ट वो बस एक सिंगल लिंक है, उस पर क्लिक करने से फिर वो ये गूगल पे आप लोग खाली जितने बच्चे कर रहे हो उसको एक रजिस्ट्रेशन कर दो ताकि हम लोग उनको पर्सनली भी आपको एक ईमेल कर सके बेसिकली, ठीक है ना?
ओके
ओके, थैंक्स फॉर
Thank you, sir.
yeah, thanks for everyone. Okay, goodbye, thanks.
बाय.